I think you guys have no idea that what package they give to their Murabbis. Keep it in mind.
Actually, that's a good question. We would like to know, Sheikh Sahib. Yes.
Believe me, right now, the package to their Murabbis, first of all, I think you have used the word Murabbi for Basit Bajwa, for Rahe Huda, the anchor of that program. He's not a Murabbi. There are 2-3 terms in them. The Murabbi is only that person who went through their Jamia Ahmadiyya. They did the from 5 years to 7 years course, which we call that our Alam. That's what the Murabbi. The other one who used to call the Waqfine Zindagi. No, they will, that whatever the cult will give them, this is early, I'm talking early days, whatever the cult will pay them, they will have, and they will try to give them a room to live or a small quarter. Right now, how a Murabbi can leave this cult when he has a full medical, the education for their children, the house, the car, the allowance for everything, and the salary. Now tell me, if the Murabbi will leave this cult, would you guys give them this job or something? Number one.
My question is, Muslimano kithe reh gaye ho? Sanu sud dita nahi koi suno Sheikh Sahib ye galla suno sada ki haal hoya hai.
The best, honestly, the Muslims should think about that one.
No, Sheikh Sahib, ye Allah ka shukr hai ki hum pe aisi koi mehrbaaniyan Muslimano ki taraf se nahi ho rahi. Shayad Allah ki isi mein marzi hai. You know why? I'll tell you why. Because this procedure or this process corrupts people. It makes them insincere. You know, the Catholic Church, I mentioned this earlier. Many of their clergy are atheists. They don't believe in God. And they are Catholic clergy. Some of them are bishops and cardinals. And they are only in those positions because they're getting
Because they are doing their job. They are selling their business.
Exactly.